Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share this product that I cannot stop using, the Lankro tenor ukulele. I'm a beginner when it comes to ukulele, but this ukulele has been a dream come true, and it's just been so easy to pick up. To start, it comes fully assembled with extra strings, a carrying case, a tuner, a capo, even instructions on how to begin playing. And I just love the included tuner. I keep it on the ukulele always, so I can always do a quick tune before I begin to play. The sound quality is very crisp and clear, as you can hear here. And as a tenor, it has a bit of a deeper sound profile than regular ukulele, even though it uses the same chords. And I like this as it's a happy medium between a concert ukulele and a guitar. And the C major chords are all so easy to play on ukulele, making this just such a great starter instrument. Playing it has helped me build up my calluses, which makes me better when playing my guitar. And it's just small, fun, and it sounds wonderful. I really recommend trying it out for yourself. You will not be disappointed. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.